When you want to open any app, you can see this error. Your trusted insurance guides. Your trusted insurance guide. Continue with short ad. In this video, I show you how to fix this problem. First of all, go to settings. If you experience this issue on settings, then scroll down the notification bar. Then click on settings here. Then tap on apps. Then go to default apps. Then click on home app. Then go back to your phone original launcher. For my case, picture launcher. If you are using any launcher, home launcher or Xiaomi launcher, then click on it. Now try to open any app. Now I hope that this method fix your trusted insurance guide problem. If you want to uninstall this app, tap on it. Then tap on app info. Then tap on uninstall. Then okay. Now I hope that you successfully fix your trusted insurance guide problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.